Hi everyone, the Vegan Health Bundle 2024 is out and it is pretty massive. So I wanted to give you a little sneak peek today before you go over and look and really let you see a little behind the scenes. So as contributors, we have access to a Google Drive to look at all the content from the other contributors. And this year, this bundle is 99% off. So it's $7,700 worth of content for $49. And it's video content, video cooking videos, lectures, recipe ebooks, wellness programs, fitness programs, meal plans, so much. All the recipes are oil-free and many are SOS-free. So I just wanted to give you that little peek of the Google Drive, what we get to see as contributors, and show you a few special highlights. So first off, this ebook is the Spring Inspiration Cookbook, and it's a special item to this bundle. And of course, they craft this bundle to be completely different each year. And this cookbook won't be available anywhere after because it's unique to the bundle. It's the contributors offering a spring recipe, and it's been designed and just a really nice collection of over 70 recipes. So that's very specific to this bundle this year that you won't find anywhere. And then I have a couple of ebooks in here, of course, and also my Fascia Flow program. But there's so much in here. Dr. McDougall has videos. There's really nice ebooks from this lady, Rebecca Stoner, and I just want to highlight them because just today, I saw this one. She's just added it. And she also has a pizza ebook and another ebook with a gorgeous dessert on the front. I have to find it here to show you because it's gorgeous. Look at that. And that's a collection of different recipes from like mains to salads to desserts. Chef AJ's peanut chews are in here. There are 3 ingredients. Look at this little healthy desserts cookbook, all oil-free. This is a full book, guys, that was printed, and the PDF is now available for you in this bundle. So what a value. And yes, here's McDougall program for gut health. Tammy Kramer has content in here. Kathy Fisher. I want to see if I can find the other pizza. Here it is. The same lady, Rebecca Stoner, has a pizza ebook, and the crusts are oil-free and really amazing toppings. So fun. And another one I want to highlight for you, because if you have a dehydrator, you need this ebook. Melissa Maris has gone to great lengths to help you make these raw wraps. And there's so much detail and care put into this ebook. You will have complete success. There's so much detail. So again, if you have a dehydrator, I just think you need that ebook. You need to make those. So look, another one here, Simply Sweets. Just lots of fun stuff in here. And even if not everything resonates with you, you're going to find so much that you're going to at least find a good 7, 8, maybe 10 items that will resonate with you. So go over and see what's in there and find some goodies for yourself. Again, it's only available this year and only for about a week, $49 for all the content. And I know you're going to find some good stuff in there. This is the first time I've done a bundle for a while. I decided to join this one. I felt it had a lot of value. So that's why I'm part of it this year. And I'm going to be showcasing recipes from it. Okay, so stay tuned.